Mastering Google Ads promotion assets and scheduling techniques is essential for creating high-performing campaigns that consistently drive visibility, clicks, and conversions. This ultimate guide breaks down everything you need to know to optimize your ads with strategic asset selection, smart timing, and advanced delivery methods. Google Ads promotion assets allow advertisers to highlight exclusive offers, discounts, limited time deals, and value-driven incentives directly within the ad, boosting engagement and click-through rates. By integrating promotion extensions such as percentage discounts, monetary reductions, promo codes, or holiday-specific deals, you create compelling ad experiences that stand out in competitive search results. These assets work best when aligned with audience intent, seasonal trends, and real-time market behavior. Effective scheduling transforms good promotions into great ones by ensuring your ads appear when your audience is most likely to take action. Using Google Ads ad scheduling tools, you can set day-parting strategies that run promotions during peak engagement hours, high-conversion weekdays, or specific seasonal windows. Smart bidding strategies like target CPA, target ROAS, and enhanced CPC can be paired with scheduled promotions to maximize budget efficiency while maintaining performance consistency. Additionally, leveraging custom segments and audience insights helps refine who sees your promotions, increasing relevance and reducing wasted ad spend. Promotion assets should also be tested using A/B variations, experimenting with different discount types, CTA styles, urgency language, and scheduling patterns to identify what resonates most with your target audience. Structuring your promotions around major sales moments, such as Black Friday, New Year, back-to-school seasons, or niche industry events, can dramatically enhance campaign results. Meanwhile, aligning your promotion schedule with user behavior analytics, like mobile usage spikes, evening browsing patterns, or payday surges, ensures your offers reach potential customers at the perfect moment. Google's automated rules and scripts can further streamline promotion scheduling, enabling you to activate or pause deals automatically based on inventory, time triggers, or performance metrics. The key to mastering Google Ads promotion assets is consistency. Update your offers regularly, track conversion lift, adjust bidding strategies, and refine targeting as trends evolve. When executed with precision, well-crafted promotion assets paired with strategic ad scheduling not only increase your CTR, but also strengthen brand credibility by demonstrating timely, valuable offers. Whether you're promoting e-commerce discounts, lead generation incentives, local business deals, or seasonal campaigns, combining strong promotional messaging with optimized timing can significantly enhance your advertising impact. Building a robust system around planning, executing, and evaluating promotion schedules allows you to scale campaigns more effectively, maintain control over budget distribution, and avoid running promotions at non-optimal times. Ultimately, mastering Google Ads promotion assets and scheduling techniques empowers marketers to maximize visibility, boost conversions, and achieve higher ROI through strategically timed, audience-aligned promotional experiences that outperform general search ads and deliver measurable business growth.